If you really think about it, it's really just about him, leaping, in terms of his career right now. He's soaring high, he's really growing, and the designers as well that we've used here, they're like emerging designers or established designers, so the sky's the limit, I guess. This jersey, I actually spotted this at Design Indaba this past weekend. There's this amazing textile designer called Laduma. He's a Xhosa guy from the Eastern Cape, from Ki'i. Dak is one of those designers that have been around for years and years and years. And it was only fitting that we feature him here as well today. We're celebrating South African designers, so Dak is just one of those guys.